Hi, my name is Soren Peterson. We're here at the Shure booth at Anaheim NAMM 2019, showing off our brand new product, the MV88 Plus Video Kit. This is an all-in-one solution. You get everything here except the phone, of course. You get the microphone itself that has a headphone jack and a micro B port. There's both a Lightning and a USB-C cable included in the box for all iOS devices and some select Android devices. Please check our website. We have a list of phones that we've been testing on that. You get the mic clip, which has both a 1/4 inch and a shoe mount, so you can drop it in any other rig or your next rig even. Phone clamp, and then we partnered with Manfrotto to have this awesome Pixie tripod stand, which works great as both a desktop and a handheld mode, so to speak, with a nice little articulation right here when you push that button in. It's a stereo microphone, but you can configure it a whole bunch of different ways. So you can control how wide your stereo image is. Say you're at NAMM, I guess, and you want to do an interview with a person who's on camera and not get the stuff over their shoulder. All you got to do is narrow it in right there, and that physically changes how the microphone picks up. And then later on tonight, there's probably some awesome band playing the parking lot or the hotel ballroom, because that's what happens at NAMM. You open it up wide, and you get this big, rich, immersive stereo sound then. You can even do just the front microphone, turn it into just cardioid. That's great for your sort of run and gun shooting. If you flip the mic around, you can really easily be selfie style for YouTube, that type of thing. There's a bidirectional mode where if you do this, it actually picks up across the microphone. So if you rotate the mic 90 degrees, you can have an on-camera interview where you're both on mic behind and in front of the camera. So the whole deal here is just to be as customizable as possible. Beyond the polar pattern selection, we have a limiter, a compressor, which has 3 different settings: light, medium, high, high-pass filter, left-right swap, and an equalizer. So if you don't like the way the microphone sounds, you can literally change it. So now it'll be a little bit brighter. And what's great about this is all these cool settings live in the microphone itself, not just the app. So what that means is you can take this to another phone that's never seen this before, or another app who's never seen the microphone before, and all those settings you just dialed up live in the mic until you go back and change them. So if you're doing the same setup over and over, you don't have to come back to the app and configure it time and time again. And it's totally customizable. It's really easy to jump back to our app, change a polar pattern, jump back in a GarageBand or Filmic Pro with a camera app or whatever you're shooting on. We have both an audio and a video app. The audio app is what I was showing there that has all the controls. The video app is kind of the same deal as the Apple camera app, except it has some nice meters and our built-in controls there too. So they're both free. They're both on Apple Store and Google Play. The Android video app is in beta. The audio app's awesome and has been out for a little while. So that's the MV88 Plus Video Kit. It's $249. It's available now. Thanks so much for coming.